In this video, I will show you exactly how to change your video resolution settings in Flow Studio so your creations always look their absolute best. Whether you are aiming for high definition quality or just need a smaller file size for quick sharing, the process is incredibly straightforward and takes only a few seconds. Once you have finished generating your video and it appears on your dashboard, the first thing you need to do is click on the specific video you want to adjust. This will open up the preview window where you can review your work one last time. From here, look for the download button located prominently on the interface. Instead of just starting a generic download, clicking this button triggers a submenu that gives you full control over the output. You will see a list of different quality options ranging from standard definition to high resolution. Simply choose the quality setting that matches your needs for the project. If you are uploading to social media, a higher resolution is usually better, but for a fast preview, a lower setting works perfectly. Once you make your selection, the system processes your request and prepares the file in that specific resolution. It is a seamless way to ensure your content meets the professional standards you are looking for without any complicated technical steps. I hope this quick guide helps you get the most out of your editing workflow. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to try out different quality settings on your next project to see the difference for yourself.